Hello students, welcome to first grade mathematics class. I am your teacher, Ms. Gracia, and today we are going to be learning about coins. The TEKS that we are going to cover in today's lesson is 4A, and it is number and operations. The student applies mathematical process standards to identify coins, their values, and the relationship among them in order to recognize the need for monetary transactions. The student is expected to A. Identify U.S. coins, including pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters by value, and describe the relationships among them. So this is what we will be covering in today's lesson. And students, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to determine the value of each US coin. You'll be able to identify the different sizes of the coins. And finally, you will be able to describe the colors of each coin. So, students, I'm going to start the lesson by showing you guys a picture, which is this picture, and I will be asking you a few questions about it. Who's ready? Okay, let's get started, guys. Does anyone know what this is? Yes, it's a piggy bank. Good job. What do people store in piggy banks? What do you guys think people put in these piggy banks? Yes, coins. Great job. Okay, now let's talk about coins. So there is 4 coins. The quarter, which is the biggest coin, it has an eagle on the back and former President George Washington on the front. As you can see, there it is, the front and the back. And then there's the dime, which is the smallest coin. It has a torch with an olive branch to the left and an oak branch to the right, and former President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the front. The nickel, which is right next to the dime, it has a building called the Monticello on the back and former President Thomas Jefferson on the front. And then there's the penny. It has a Union shield on the back and former President Abraham Lincoln on the front. So there's 4 coins, and these are the 4 coins. And all of the coins are silver except for the penny. The penny is in a copper brownish color. So here they are. They're all different sizes, they're all circles, and they all have different symbols on them on the back and the presidents on the front. And their values, which is very important to know. The penny is worth 1 cent. The dime is worth 10 cents. The nickel is worth 5 cents. The quarter is worth 25 cents. As you can see on the picture, they're right there, with the penny being 1 cent, dime 10 cents, nickel 5 cents, and the quarter is 25 cents. Remember that the size of the coin has nothing to do with its value. So even though the quarter is the biggest, it is 25 cents, but as you can see, the penny, it is not this, it's small, but it's 1 cent, and the dime is small, as you can see, but it is worth 10 cents, so the size does not matter. Don't let that trick you or anything. But yeah, so the nickel, as you can see, is 5 as well, 5 cents. So these are the 4 coins and their values. Very important. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to ask you a few questions just to see how much you all learned. So, question number 1. What are the names of the different coins? Yes, they are the quarter, penny, nickel, and dime. Correct. Great job, guys. The second question. Who knows the colors of these coins? Now, who remembers the colors of the coins? Yes. 3 of the coins are silver and 1 is in copper, which is the penny. Great job. Question number 3. Can anyone tell me the coins from biggest to smallest? And not the value, just the size of the coin. Yes, good job. It is the quarter, and then the nickel, and then the penny, and then the dime. Great job, everyone. So now guys, I'm going to have you guys work in groups of 3 and you guys are going to complete 2 activities. Activity number 1, students will be given 4 plastic coins. So I will give you each 4 plastic coins, each group, and a piece of paper that has each of the coins' value, and they will need to put the coin in the correct place. So guys, I will give you the 4 coins and then you will need to put these coins in the paper that says the paper will have the value, so you just need to put the coin in the correct place of the coin's value. And the second activity is students will be given 4 plastic coins again, so I will give you 4 plastic coins, but these coins will be blank both front and back. So it will just be the quarter in silver, nothing on front of the back, it's just a blank coin. You guys will need to determine what the coin is based on its size and color. So you will need to determine the name of the coin. And I will give you guys a piece of paper with the words quarter, nickel, dime, and penny. And you guys will need to place each coin in their correct place, in the correct name of them. So you will need to place them in the correct place. So here's activity number 1, where students will place the coins in the correct place based on their value. And here's activity number 2. You guys will place the blank coins in the piece of paper that has the correct name of the coin based on its size and color. Okay guys, great job today everybody. I hope you all learned a little bit more about coins. Today for homework you will need to complete this mini quiz, and it is identify each coin. So students will need to draw a line from each coin name on the left to its matching coin and value to the right. So just draw a line on towards whatever coin the name of the coin is to. So if it's the quarter, draw a line to the quarter. If you're doing nickel, draw a line to the nickel. And that's it guys. That is for homework, and that is it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. If not, see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.